Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, your go-to spot for the coolest tech and productivity hacks. Today, I've got something mind-blowingly awesome for you, a tool that's going to take your TikTok game to the next level, MKT TikTok auto-posting software. Want to go viral without staying up all night posting videos? Want your TikTok to look like you've got a whole team working for you? Well, stick around because this is the tool you didn't know you needed. Let's dive in. Alright, let me be real for a second. How many of you have struggled with remembering to post your TikToks at the right time? You know, 8 a.m., 7 p.m., oh no, I missed the prime posting window again. Been there, done that. But guess what? Those days are over. With MKT TikTok, you can schedule your videos, choose the accounts, and boom, it posts them for you, like magic. And here's the kicker, it doesn't just post 1 or 2 videos. Oh no. This beast can handle dozens of accounts at the same time. Wanna post 50, 100, or even more videos daily? Easy peasy. And don't worry, it's super safe, no bans, no flagged accounts. This is like having a personal assistant who's always on point. But wait, there's more. MKT TikTok isn't just about auto-posting. It also rotates your captions, hashtags, and content variations, so every post looks fresh and original. No duplicates, no boring repeats. Just consistent, engaging content that keeps your audience hooked. Oh, and if you're in e-commerce or trying to grow your personal brand, this is a game changer. Use it for 1 week, and I bet you'll see your views triple and your followers skyrocket. Content creation is your job, but MKT TikTok handles the rest. It's like having a secret weapon for TikTok domination. Viral videos. Easy. So, what are you waiting for? Get MKT TikTok today, or sit back and watch your competition go viral without you. The link is in the description, go download it, try it out for free, and thank me later. Like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment if you've got questions. Alright, that's it for today, folks, catch you in the next one. Stay awesome and TikTok on, rock it.